folks, welcome back to BadWolfBobbi. Today I'm filming how I fix my hair curly and fix my bangs. So as you can see, I have my bangs out of my towel. I did not film how I do this, but I comb all my bangs out and then clip them with this clip and then twist my hair up in a hair towel and then do my skincare, sit around, and then we get to this step, which is blow dry my bangs. And we will go to voiceover for this, but I can't wait to show you. First thing I do is use a little heat protectant and comb out my bangs. I don't use very much product on my bangs at the advice of my hairstylist. I'm not sure exactly what size round brush I use, but I do not use an extremely tiny one. I use a medium sized one just to get the right amount of volume in my bangs. I am not a pro at blow drying, but I get it done and they don't look bad, so there's that. Re-clip them together so that when I'm fixing my hair curly, I don't accidentally get mousse or gel in them. And I just plugged in my straightener and turned it on to straighten them when I finished fixing my hair curly. For my curly hair, I use a little leave-in conditioner all over, a wide tooth comb to comb it out, and I comb it out on top and bottom, and then I use a little anti-frizz serum because, you know, I'm not blessed with non-frizzy curls. I use mousse, and I am not shy with the mousse when fixing my hair curly, but I also have a lot of hair and it's longer, so that's probably why I use a lot of mousse. And once I'm done with the mousse, I put a little gel through it, and that is how I fix my hair curly. And here I take the straightener and I run it over all of the bangs just to get one pass over, and then I do my bangs in sections. And I had to run it over more than usual tonight because I had a couple pieces that had like bumps in it, as you can see up near the top. Normally I don't have to run it, but the whole and then each little section. But sometimes the hair just doesn't want to behave. So I'm going to take a little hairspray and spray the bangs with it, and that is all I use on my bangs is the hairspray and the heat protectant. And I'm going to include a picture of my hair dry and my bangs fixed so you can see curly hair with bangs. And that is how I fix my curly hair with bangs. I am not curly girl. My hair does not like it. I tried it for 6 months and my hair looked worse at the end than it did in the beginning. So this is going to be a super short video, but you can wear bangs with curly hair. It just takes a little bit of effort. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe.